হ্যালো গাইজ, আজকে চলে এসেছি আমরা ড্রোন ফেস্টিভ্যালে। সবাই হাই। তো এই ফেস্টিভ্যাল নিয়ে আই হার্ড মেনি থিংস that yesterday it was not that much successful, so that's why I came to witness that what is happening here, and I will show you everything. Be with me.
At first, we passed the strict security check and entered, experiencing the giant drone. This is basically carry passenger. This is another drone. Then we entered. So from the starting, we are waiting. What will happen? Is it going to be the same as yesterday or not? But after waiting, we witnessed something beautiful. And ultimately the drone festival started. We have seen many historical places with beautiful painting at the sky with the drone. It was really on the eve of Shankranti, seeing Shankranti at the sky, mind-blowing. And this one was a source drop. Really nice. And being Hyderabadi, who would not love to see the Charminar on the sky with a drone? It's Kirak by love.
ড্রোন শো হলো দেখা তেলেঙ্গানা
And in this way, the drone show has become successful. It comes to an end, and see the crowd. The whole stadium was full. We really enjoyed. If you like the video, follow me on Instagram. Share this video to your friends and family. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Signing off, Fan Traveler, Hyderabad.